Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer taste good. First, always serve your beer at its ideal temperature. Lagers are best around 40-45 degrees F, while stouts prefer 50-55 degrees F. Next, choose the right glass. A tulip glass enhances aromas for IPAs, whereas a pint glass is versatile for many styles. Finally, consider food pairings to elevate the experience. A crisp Pilsner pairs wonderfully with spicy dishes. Cutting through the heat. To truly enhance your beer's flavor, focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients if you're brewing at home. Even for store-bought beer, proper storage is crucial. Keep your beer in a cool, dark place, ideally below 60 degrees F, to prevent light and heat from creating skunky or stale notes. Experiment with adding a slice of orange to a wheat beer or a dash of cinnamon to a stout for an extra layer of complexity. For those looking to go a step further, consider aging certain beer styles like imperial stouts or barley wines. Their flavors deepen over several months or even years. Infusing your beer with ingredients like vanilla beans or oak chips can introduce fascinating new dimensions. If you have a home tap system, remember that meticulous cleaning of your lines every 2 to 3 weeks is essential to prevent off flavors from bacteria buildup. Ultimately, making beer taste good is about mindful enjoyment. Take your time with each sip, allowing the flavors to unfold on your palate. Share your discoveries with friends. A shared experience often enhances the appreciation. Remember, a great beer is a journey for your senses. Also, for those interested in improving their financial well-being, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on money management, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.